just taking this down to fill a couple of holes down by the river. It's just pit run or gravel right out of the ground from North River. I just finished pushing 10 loads of dirt over the edge of the ravine. My lifelong agenda to fill it up, which was impossible, but I got lucky. The Department of Highways is working hard to repair all the damage from the storm, and they're doing road repair and ditch digging, and they're dumping a lot of dirt. So I nailed one of the drivers and said, how about putting it here? And he said, sure. And he dropped 10 loads at the top, and I pushed it all in yesterday with the tractor. Oh, look at here. Looks like I lost a tree. A dead one, I guess. It was quite windy last night. Yeah. The top off of one of those. What am I going to do about this guy here? I guess I just run right over it. Could stop and move it, I suppose. Maybe that'd be the best thing. Yeah, it's deader than a doornail. Must be the top off of one of the trees in there. Anyway, going down the river.